Hey, Justin Labato here outside of the beautiful Autogeek show car garage, and today we want to talk about the DP Ultimate Wash and Wax. Now, this is a great formula for both consumers and professionals. Why? Because it's the best of both worlds. It allows you to be able to wash your vehicle safely and effectively with adding a little bit of protection. But most of all, if you have some pre-existing protection, it also allows you to complement that by helping keep up the repellency characteristics known as being hydrophobic. So this basically will help boost existing protection and also give you a light layer of protection as well. Now, with this formula, it is pH balanced, so that helps in regards to it not stripping something and or also being super safe on, of course, all your surfaces, which would be your glass, your paint, your plastic, and your metal surfaces as well. This product is great in regards to its dilution because it's 1 ounce to every gallon. So as you see here, as an example, I already have 3 gallons ready to go. So unlike traditional way of doing things where I may have a measurement cup or a proportioner, today for demo purposes, I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball 1 ounce per gallon, and we have 3 gallons in here, so I'm gonna shoot for eyeballing 3 ounces. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead and make sure my cap's on. And then I want to agitate. Now you could do this with water, or the grit guard that's at the bottom of the bucket, you could take that, flip it over, and kind of turn it, kind of like an agitator arm in a washer machine, and that helps as well. So once you have nice sud mixture of soap and water from the DP Wash and Wax, then you take your wash mitt of choice, make sure it's nice and saturated. Of course, traditionally you start from top and work your way down, but on the hood here for demo purposes, we're gonna go ahead and work half the hood. We're just gonna go left and right. And this surface is light to moderate dirty, so we don't have to use a lot of effort in regards to cleaning it. Not a lot of downward pressure, just enough to make sure that the mitt, the soap, and everything is working in harmony to safely and effectively clean the paint surface. Put the wash mitt back in the bucket. I'll go ahead and turn this on my shower option, rinse her down. Of course, you could do this with a garden hose and or a pressure washer, whatever your preference is. But even looking at this, you could tell that the actual formula from DP Wash and Wax is already working its magic, and the repellency characteristics with adding a little protection, and then of course, even the light shine that it has to offer. If there's anything else you want to learn about any of the DP products or more information about the DP Wash and Wax, visit autogeek.com.